In this video, I am going to explain you third chapter of Geography class 11th drainage system of the book Physical Environment, India Physical Environment. The name of the chapter is Drainage System. What is drainage? The flow of water in well-defined channels. The flow of water in well-defined channels is called drainage. The network of such channels is called drainage system. Now what is catchment area? Imagine that this is the river. This is the river. And this is a specific area. A river, an area drained by river. A river drains the water. A river drains the water collected from a specific area. A river drains the water collected from a specific area, which is called catchment area. Now drainage basin. An area drained by river. This is the area drained by river is called a drainage basin. Now what is watershed? The boundary line separate one drainage. The boundary line separate one drainage from other is called drainage watershed. Now we will differentiate between the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. It consists 23% of water. It consists 23% of water discharge area. It consists 77% of water discharge area. Imagine that here is the Gujarat and this side Arunachal Pradesh. So this will be the west and this will east. So the east to west flowing river are Narmada. First one is Indus, Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Periyar. So these are the main five rivers which discharge their water in Bay of Bengal, in Arabian Sea. Sorry, they discharge their water in Arabian Sea. Now the Bay of Bengal. It consists 77% of water discharge area. Now the river which discharge their water in Bay of Bengal are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi. Types of drainage pattern. Mainly there are four types of drainage pattern: dendritic, radial, trellis and contripetal. So these are the main four types. So first one is dendritic, resembling the branches of tree, or we can say that form the branches of tree. You see like this, the branches of tree. The drainage pattern resembling the branches of tree is called dendritic drainage pattern. Now radial. Imagine that this is the hill. A river originated from hill and flow in all the direction. A river originated from hill and flow in all the direction is called radial drainage pattern. Now trellis. Here you see double L. So this is the symbol of parallel. So trellis. The primary tributaries of river are parallel to each other. This is main river. The primary tributaries of river are parallel to each other are trellis. Contripetal. It is opposite of radial. It is opposite of radial. The water coming from river coming from all the direction. River coming from all the direction and flow into a depression or a lake. Now categorize drainage basin. Mainly we can categorize Indian drainage basin into three. First one is major, medium and minor. Major river which have more than 20,000 square kilometer catchment area. First, these rivers are example of this major catchment area is Ganga, Brahmaputra, Narmada. There are many examples. Now medium, the river which has between 20,000 to 2,000 square kilometer catchment area are medium. Now minor, the river which has less than 20,000 less than 2,000 square kilometer catchment area. Now Panchanand, the five rivers are known as Panchanand. These rivers are Jhelum, Chenal, Ravi, Vyas, Satluj. Jhelum, Chenal, Ravi, Vyas, Satluj. Devprayag is the place of confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. These are two rivers of this is here it become Ganga. Now Dakshin Ganga. Godavari is known as Dakshin Ganga. We all know this.